Your ServiceNow CMDB is lying to you right now. This month alone, I've audited 3 enterprise CMDBs. There was ghost servers everywhere, and I saw applications linked to people who left the company way years back, and dependencies leading to a dead end. And this is what nobody tells you. A ServiceNow CMDB can be bulletproof if you fix these 3 data integrity mistakes. If you first fix these 3 data integrity mistakes. Now let me break them down to you. Before we dive into the technical fixes, I would like to give you a quick heads up. If you're serious about advancing your ServiceNow career and want access to my advanced tutorials, real-world expertise, and case studies, a monthly live question and answer sessions, consider become a member of my channel and I'll show you exactly what's included at the end of this video. The first mistake, your discovery rules are probably creating garbage data. So what you see here on this row, which I have marked in red, are the different ways of populating your CMDB. And most ServiceNow admins set up discovery and forget about it. And here's what happens. The credentials expire, your network changes also change, and suddenly your CMDB is full of outdated or incomplete records, resulting to a technical debt. Now, one of the key steps is to fix regular audits, your mid servers, updating your credentials, and use an efficient, targeted discovery schedules. This strategy alone can clean up to 30% of your raw data. Just a quick pause. If this level of ServiceNow detail is what you need for your next certification or promotion, my channel members get early access to videos like this, plus downloadable scripts and configuration templates. I will break down all the membership benefits in just a few minutes. The second critical mistake is weak data validation. Your CMDB is only as good on what data is coming in. And you will see on the top right, ServiceNow is providing the feature set to help you validate your data. Without strong business rules, transform maps, data policies, you are letting duplicate or incomplete records slip through. Setting up strict validation on all CI forms and automating data normalization and scheduling regular data health checks. If you want my exact validation rule templates, then you'll find them inside the member area. The third mistake that kills CMDB accuracy is missing broken CI relationships. If your applications aren't mapped to the right servers or dependencies are out of date, your impact analysis will fail when you need it the most. Using ServiceNow relationship rules and visual dependency mapping to keep everything connected. And here's a bonus tip. Automate relationship discovery using service mapping for the most critical service. And now as you establish your services, you can fully utilize them into different processes within the ITSM module. And the most significant is the config changes under the change management request. Here's the reality. What I just showed you fixes the basics, but in my members only content, I go much deeper. I will share you the exact health check scripts I use for enterprise clients, the business rules that save one company 40% on licensing costs, and real-world CMDB scenarios you won't find anywhere else for less than the cost of a coffee each month that the channel members get. Early access to all ServiceNow tutorials, including my upcoming performance analytics series, downloadable templates, scripts, and checklists, monthly live Q&A where I solve your specific ServiceNow challenges, access to our private community with other ServiceNow professionals. Click the join button below this video and check the link in the description. Your future ServiceNow architect self will thank you. Next week, I'm covering ServiceNow performance analytics best practices. Members get it 3 days early with bonus configuration files. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.